In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a brand new YouTube logo for free without using Photoshop or any other paid program. I'm going to show you free softwares that you can use without even downloading them, and you can create an amazing looking YouTube logo. Let's get started right now. So the website that I'm going to use for this is called canva.com. You can simply go to Google and you can simply search for Canva. It's going to be the first result, and you can then go to this website right here. Now in this video, we're also going to use stock free image websites so that we can find good looking vectors and pictures so that we can use those in our logo. Now once you're on canva.com, you want to click on create a design. If you then scroll down, you'll be able to find all of these different already available designs with the right sizes, but you want to click on custom dimensions and then put in 1440 and 1440 and click on create design, and make sure that this is on PX. So click on create design, and they're then going to send you over to the drag and drop editor, which we're going to use to create our logo. So once we're here, we need a background. Now for that, you can use the already available backgrounds on Canva. So if you go to Canva, you can use all of these for free. Some are paid, but it will say that these are premium. But as you can see right there, most of these are actually available for free, and you can just start using them. So let's say that you want to add this one. You click on it, and it basically adds it into your logo. If you want to change it, you simply click another on another picture, of course. So let's say that I want to use this as the background for my logo. I can then do that. Now once we have a background, we need to add vectors. That's what I like to do, at least. So I always like to add some sort of vector. You can also check the vector on my current logo on my YouTube channel down below. But for this, I like to go to pixabay.com, which is a website where you can find all of these vectors for free, and you can then start using them. So if you just type in logo on this website, you'll get a bunch of results. You can then filter this by images, photos, vector graphics, illustrations, and videos. I always click on vector graphics, and then I can find these cool like animated vectors or logos, and all of this is free to use. So let's say that you want to use one of these. Let's say let's see if I can find a cool one. Okay, so let's say that I have a channel about Italian food. I can then find a vector like this on this website. I can download it and I can use it without any copyright issues. As you can see right there, free for commercial use. So once you find a vector, you can open it, you can crop it if you want to. So let's say that I only want to use the colored one. I can then crop this. Let me do that right now. Just like that. Click on save a copy. Hit save right there. And there you go. You can then go back to Canva and you can edit. You can do that by clicking on uploads, and you can then click on upload an image or video. I'll then go to quick access and I should be able to find it. There you go. We'll then open it and it's going to upload in the Canva editor. Once that's done, you can add it to your logo. So let's say that I'm creating a logo for a YouTube channel with basic content around Italian food. I can then add it in here, and you can do this with any type of vector. Let's say that you have a music channel. You can then simply go to pixabay.com, search for music, go to vector graphics, and you'll be able to find all of this. So let's say that you make guitar videos. You can then download this one and add it, or you can like basically download these music notes. You can basically do this with any type of content and any type of YouTube channel. Now let's say that this looks good and you want to add some text. You can then click on text right here, and you can choose all of these fonts. Most of these are free as well. If not, it will tell you. Now let's say that I want to add this one right here. I click on it and it will then appear in my logo. Now I want to get rid of this and I want to add text right here. So let's say that I want to add Italian food, because that's what my channel's called. You can then make it like that. I just put that right there, and within a few minutes we already have a decent looking logo. And all of this is done by using a free Canva editor and free vector images from pixabay.com. Now, in my opinion, this is pretty decent, especially if you think about the fact that I only spent like 2 minutes or 3 minutes creating this, and it barely took me any effort. I literally went to these websites, I downloaded some files that I could use, I dragged them in here, I added some text, and we already have a decent looking logo. Now, like I said, you can do this with any type of YouTube channel. So let's say that you create music content, you can go to Pixabay and download music content. If you create soccer content or sport content, you can simply search for sport right there, and you can find all of these vector images. If you create golf content, you can download this vector, then drag it inside the Canva editor and upload it. And that's pretty much what I like to do with all my YouTube logos. So let's say that you want to do this. You then want to get rid of this. You want to click on upload again. You can then upload that same vector that you just downloaded. You then click on it to get it inside your actual logo. But yeah, that's pretty much how I like to use, how I like to make free YouTube logos within a matter of minutes and just a few clicks. So you can then change the background if you want to. Let's say that the background sucks and you want to add this one in here, a blue font. You can then do that just like that, and you can then position it backwards, and there you go. You can play around with this. I'll let you guys decide what you want, but that's pretty much how I make free YouTube logos by using canva.com and Pixabay. Now, if you enjoyed this video, please consider leaving a like. Let me know in the comments down below if you're going to use this and if you get some nice results. And yeah, that's pretty much it for today. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you next time. Have a good day. If this video helped you out, please consider subscribing to my channel to help me grow the largest how-to channel on YouTube. I appreciate it.